0. Janiyah, that's for Daniel, so he can be right next to me. We should sit on our hands or clasp our hands like this. They should be in our laps. Anybody else I need to take things away from? I'm sorry, no. Thank you. So, today we're going to talk about regrouping. And regrouping is like just another way to take a number and erase, rewind. Can we rewind? I need to rewind. I got nervous because I see people not paying attention. And people are moving and they're not taking this really seriously because this is the most important part of our day. So, today we are going to regroup when we add. Remember we've been doing addition? Okay. So today we're going to regroup when we're adding. Regrouping means that you're showing the same number in a different way. For example, I went to the grocery store and I was counting my change. And I had 10 pennies. And I wanted to show 10 pennies in a different way. So what did I do? Regroup. I got rid of my 10 pennies and got a dime. Because guess what? 1 dime is the same as 10 pennies. We do this same thing in math when we're adding. 10 ones make a 10. 10 ones make a 10 again, but I have some leftovers. Do you see that?
Yeah.
So if we count it together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have a 10 and 3 left over. 10 tens make 100. 10 tens make 100. Let's see. Let's count these together. 10,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100,
110, 120. So we'll have 100 Aaron Dyson and 2 tens left over. Okay. This makes sense to me. Nod your head if this makes sense to you. You're going to fix your bodies and you're going to be looking perfectly in 3, in 2, in 1. Your hands are clasped or under your bottoms. Clasped. Thank you. Thank you for this row and my 3rd graders back here. Man, I would take this really seriously. So super important. So, what is this like? Why are you telling Miss Conti? Why are you telling me this? This makes sense. It does make sense, but why do I need to know? Because we're going to add today. You are going to watch me. You're going to watch me as I do this addition, and the way that I'm going to do this addition is by drawing out. I'm going to I'm glad you're excited. I'm going to draw it out. And then I'm going to see if I need to regroup to show any numbers in a different way. Okay? So, I have 26. 26. I'm confused about how many 10s and 1s are in 26. So I have a little secret. That can help me remember how many 10s and 1s are in my number. I can draw a little place value chart around my number just in case. Maybe you know how many 10s and 1s are in 26.
Yeah.
I see 2 10s and 6 1s. Did anybody notice? Did I take my time and draw out these elaborate shapes?
No.
No, I need to be efficient. Right, Janiyah?
Yeah.
Right, Makai?
Simple.
Okay. Then I do the same thing for 15. Maybe I already know in my head I see 1 10 and 5 ones. If you don't, you can always do this. That's a strategy to help you. I see 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ones. I know that when I'm adding, I can't write that. So I'm going to group 10 ones to make 1 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to bring it next door.
41?
Okay?
Whoa.
These are now like gone, right? And they're over here. On your work, you're going to leave them. I just wanted to show you that we just regrouped them. What do I have left over? 1. So my answer is 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. 41. So 26 plus 15 is 41. Watch me do this one more time because I have friends peeling tape and not being glued to the screen. But then I have like real 3rd graders whose eyes are glued to the screen. Thank you. All right. Ooh, this is tricky.
Yay!
Oh my gosh, you guys are I'm so excited about math too.
Yay!
My turn?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. So, just in case you're confused, I can draw my place value chart. There we go. Just in case I want to be certain, right, Rakaya?
To Daniel and Tal, I believe the front.
Okay. I
he's
see
in
174 plus 261,
He's in the front.
100. Just a box, just a square.
He's the one that
Simple.
needs
How many 7s? 10. Or, I'm
to
sorry.
watch very well.
How many 10s?
7!
Oh, so glad I have it here.
It's not his
2,
fault.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many ones?
4!
I'm sorry, I don't have everybody's eyes glued. Okay, super glued.
Here, you watch her. I'll go talk.
1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to do 261 the same way. Okay? I don't always have to do this. This is just to help me. Hundreds, tens, ones. I have 2 hundreds, 6 tens. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 1. Can everybody take their Elmer's glue and put a dot on their eyes and then glue their eyes to the screen? So your eyes are like glued to the screen. Right? So we are crystal clear on what to do. Awesome. Now I'm going to count because I added them together. I'm going to see what I have. I have 1, 2, oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to tell you something. This is really important too. I always start in the ones. I always start in the ones. Where do I always start?
Yes!
I'm glad I remembered that. How many ones do I have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now I'm going to count my tens. All right. Let's count how many tens. I'm going to count how many tens we have. I'm just going to count 1, 2, 3 that way. I know 10 tens make a what?
10. 100.
10 tens make a
100.
10 tens make a
100.
So maybe we will count by tens. So when we get to 100, we know that we have a group of, we have 100. Okay?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 120, 130.
This was a group of 100. I am going to move that next door. 100. New 100. See that? How many do I have left over?
3.
3 left over. And how many hundreds ready to do this? I'm so excited. Okay. Jake and Ladarius, can you put a bucket on each table? Okay. How many ones make a 10?
100. 10.
We have to stop and think. That's okay. Stop and think.
10.
Don't answer me right away. I'm gonna go like this, and then you're gonna tell me. Stop. How many ones make a 10? Let's look at the numbers. How many?
10.
Right? Not 100. That's silly.
100 would be 100.
Okay.
That's a tough question.